Today I'll be going over some simple kitchen utensils. I'll be going over 4 and then my friend Paula will come and do 4. First we have a saucepan. That's something you make sauces with. So like if you're making spaghetti sauce or if you want to melt chocolate, use this. Here we have a stock pot. This is something you'd maybe put spaghetti in. You can maybe cook some corn in here, chili, anything that has a large amount of it. Here we have a liquid measuring cup. This is pretty self-explanatory. You just measure liquids with this, like milk, water. Here's a solid measuring cup. You measure this with flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, literally anything that is solid you want to measure, you use this. Now on to Pablo.
This is the chef knife. It cuts vegetables and stuff like that, like everyday cut vegetables. This is kitchen shears. It makes precise cuts and helps you like have nicer cuts on things. This is a 4-sided grater. Helps you cut cheese and potatoes and stuff like that and shreds it up. This is the wooden cutting board. You can't cut like any type of raw meat on it.
In the kitchen. First question, Michael. How should you wash your hands?
First of all, you want to make sure you're using really hot water, almost to the point where it's uncomfortable, because that's the only way you're going to kill bacteria. You want to make sure you lather like this so that it's washing your hands and you're getting in all the nooks and crannies, but you also want to go up to your wrists because those are still contaminated normally. So you want to make sure you get those all the way and just scrub everything well and for a long time. Yeah.
Good answer. All right, when there's a grease fire, should you throw water on it?
No, you shouldn't, because grease and water don't mix. So water won't put out that fire, it'll just spread it out. So you'll want to take something like flour and put that on there, and then it'll suffocate the fire, so it'll just die out real quick.
What should and shouldn't you wear during a lab?
You shouldn't wear anything with long sleeves. Like my t-shirt would be fine, but your sweatshirt would not. And you want to make sure that you don't have ties or anything like that on, which can like get in the way, and your hair should always be tied back because that can get in your food too. And you should never wear anything like watches or bracelets or anything, because those can get covered in food and they're not clean on your wrist.
Oh, second question. How should you wash knives?
First of all, you want to make sure you don't put the knives in the water, because if you put them in the water, then you could put your hands in there and get poked or cut or something like that. So you don't want to do that. You want to set them on the side and make sure you're safe when you wash them, and you're watching where your hands are so you don't cut yourself.
Next question. Is hiding a cut sanitary or safe?
No, hiding a cut is not safe. You want to make sure that you always tell your teacher right away and let the people around you know, because you want to save as much of your stuff as you can. You want to stay in the same place and don't move, because otherwise you can infect more of your lab station.
All right, good answer. What shouldn't you cut on a wooden cutting board?
You shouldn't cut things like that are raw meat, like chicken or beef or stuff like that, because they can have stuff like salmonella, and the juice can soak into the boards because they're not sealed or whatever. So you want to make sure that you only use fruits and vegetables and stuff like that.
What types of things are considered falls?
Things like open drawers and tripping over them, or having your stove open and tripping over that, or just slips or any kind of falls are considered falls by definition.
Cube is to square, chunky pieces.
Dice means to cut in 1/4 cubes.
Bake means to cook bread.
Some common kitchen vocab. Roast, to cook meat.
I'm going to talk about some of the measurements. So 3 teaspoons, which is, teaspoons is a little t, equals 1 tablespoon. Tablespoons is a big T. 2 tablespoons equals 1 fluid ounce. 16 tablespoons equals 1 cup. 1 cup equals 8 ounces, which is different than fluid ounces. 2 cups equals 1 pint. 2 pints equal 1 quart, and 4 quarts equal 1 gallon.